face. I've spoken about the Senzo Meyiwa issue so many times, but people have decided that they want me guilty.
I see.
You know,
the court of public
yes,
opinion.
they have decided. So why defend myself? They must believe what they want to believe. Me and God know the truth. One thing I will never do is to protect someone who killed the father of my daughter's father. At what expense, really? So they can believe whatever they want to believe. At the end of the day, God still wins.
Ngiyamemeza nguma wakho namhlanje ngithi awukhulume mntanami uyamazi umuntu okudubula yalazi igama lakhe baba kaSenzo hlangana noSenzo umndeni wakaMeyiwa kaNomdaka kasingile hlanganani namhlanje amaqiniso ahlala kwala sikhathele sidiniwe otbedlala ngathi ngoba singenamali beneyimali ezinkulu imali ibhadile lapha ingane kaSenzo bayazi nokuthi ifunda ngani esikoleni bazozenza lezi mali bazoyenza le mali bayazi nokuyazi sikhathele vuka Senzo vuka mntanami ethuneni baba kaSenzo vuka vukani nilwe ilwani manje sethe ukuthi nilwe mndeni wakaMeyiwa basingile baphingoshe vuka.
Happened yesterday because yesterday you remember when we adjourned the request by the defense that they want to approach Mr. Dupree.
Yes.
In connection with whatever queries they may have had concerning the AVL system.
Yes.
So
Yes, my lord, we did have a meeting and we have conveyed along with the defense to Mr. Dupree what would like him to canvass. And it entails, my lord, for him to simulate or recreate the path that the Toyota Fortuner that was conveying accused number 2 on the 19th followed.
19th June, right?
Yes, 19th June.
And which other date?
And we gave him all the dates from the 1st, the 5th,
Wait, first 6.
the 1st, the 5th,
6.
the 20th, yes, the 22nd, 24th, 25th.
Wait. The first, the second,
the 5th,
okay, yeah, the 5th, right?
the 22nd,
The 22nd,
24th,
the 24th,
25th.
25th.
Yes.
This is all June.
And 31 May as well, I'm sorry.
And 31.
Yes, 31 May.
Is that all the councils agreed to?
Yes.
That
Sorry. Which other dates?
As the court basis, my lord, the dates are the 31st of May, the 1st of June.
wait. Because Baloy didn't mention the 31st of May.
Yes.
Is it the 31st of May also?
Yes.
Yes, indeed, my lord.
And
Wait. 31st May,
Yes.
right? Sorry. Yeah.
And then I think we skipped the 8th,
And then the 1st, the 2nd, the 5th,
the 5th.
the 22nd, the 24th, the 25th,
We skipped the 18th of May, my lord, as well.
the 18th of May also. Hello?
18 and 19, my lord.
Yes,
18th
19,
May,
19.
19th May.
June, my lord.
So the
19th June.
31st of May, my lord, and the rest are June.
Wait. The 18th of June,
Yes, the 18th and the 19th of June as well.
right?
Yes, I think that will also incorporate the 20th of June.
And the 20th of June.
Yes. In other words, basically it's all the dates, my lord, that have been mentioned in
the evidence.
court. Yes.
Mr. Nisi, do you agree to that? Those dates? Mr.
I
Mano?
confirm, my lord, that is the arrangement.
Mr. Tololo?
I confirm, Lord.
Now, what is the arrangement? I'm saying this and I'm asking this because this trial is an adversarial trial,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this witness was specifically called, that is Mr. Dupree, was specifically called by the state, although he is an expert
Yes.
who can assist the court. I want to know what is the status of the report he's going to prepare so that we mustn't have problems later on about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, interpretation of this. What did you agree regarding the status of that report?
It was actually raised by one of the council, my lord,
Yeah.
that perhaps they should have a peek of that report before it's presented
Now, you see.
here in court. So we made a proposal that maybe we can get together and
What is the status of that report?
Yes.
Prepared by a witness who's still under cross-examination, approached by the defense and the state to prepare a report. What is the status of that report, having regard to the fact that this is an adversarial
yes.
system we are dealing with? It's not a civil trial.
Yes, that will leave us with two options. Once the defense has had the opportunity to view the report, either we do, the report is submitted via section 220 or as an addendum to the current report that is before court.
So you didn't agree on the status of the report?
Yes. Well, up until they've seen it, my lord, I think they...
No, you don't have to see it first.
Yes.
Because you've approached an expert jointly to say you must prepare a report. The question is, will you be cross-examined on that report?
Yes. Well,
Or will that report, as you suggest, be just accepted as a report which is sanctioned by the two parties before this court?
yes.
Sorry?
Yes, that was the proposal, but there was a counter proposal that they would want to have a look at it first.
Mr. Mgomezulu, you've heard the queries I'm raising.
My lord, I'll submit that one may not lose sight of the fact that this witness comes from the state side.
Yes, yes.
The defense will definitely, not that because we are engaging into a discussion regarding the status of the report, but now, it will be difficult for the defense to admit the report prior to its seeing or
No, I hear you.
sight over it. So, my lord, I would still maintain that the witness is still the witness of the state, not of both parties. So, I would just request the court to keep the status of that witness as
I can't change that status. I can't.
My lord, it will always be the witness of the state.
Yes,
because-
yes. It's called by the state.
Yes. Should there anything we are not satisfied with from that report, we will definitely have to cross-examine the witness.
Mr. Mnisi,
As it is the court, my lord, I think the approach by the state that we can either deal with the report in terms of section 220, alternatively as an addendum to the report that are already before court. I think it's a noble one, my lord. However, that should not really preclude any party, either the state or even the defense, from asking questions to clarify certain things from the report that will be treated as an addendum. Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Amalo.
My lord, my submission is that the witness is still the witness of the state. He's going to come back and testify on what he has investigated, and then the defense is going to have a chance to cross-examine the witness if there are issues arising. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Chololo.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, my submission is that until we are in receipt of the report that is going to be compiled by the
No, it
witness.
doesn't work that way. You can't say until you are in the seat and satisfied of the report, then you decide what to do with the report.
The court is
It doesn't work that way. This witness has been approached by you jointly. He has prepared a report. And I want to know what is the status of that report. I don't have a problem with Mr. Mgomezulu saying that he's got a right to cross-examine Mr. Mnisi and Mr. Ngomalo, which is correct. You have a right to cross-examine.
Yes.
But I'm concerned about the status of that report.
The status of the report, my lord, The report is still the report submitted by the state, which the defense will be entitled
Fine.
to put cross-examination if there are any, my lord.
Fine. I don't have a problem with that. It still complies with the adversarial system. But the point is, when he comes back, Mr. Dupree, to testify, he presents the report as an expert. Then you've got the right to cross-examine him.
Yes,
But you can't say, until we have a insight into the report, therefore we'll do a, are you with me?
yes, my lord.
It comes with the report. It's a report which he has drafted
Compliant.
after being asked questions. There's nothing asking questions about the mechanism, how it operates, etc., the coordinates, etc. And then he prepares a report on the queries which we have raised, all of you. Then he presents that report.
Yes.
Then you've got the right to cross-examine him. But you don't see the report first, like you want to do. And thereafter you say, I don't agree with this. I don't. He presents it as it is. What is what you, factum probanda, you
As
call
the
it.
court wishes, my lord, with due respect, I cannot make any admissions towards
No,
that
no, I
report
don't want admissions.
at this stage.
No,
Yes, my lord.
no, you don't making any. This gentleman prepares a report,
Yes.
and then he presents it.
Yes.
And then you cross-examine him on whatever aspects.
Yes.
Mr. Are you with me, Mr.
That's
Ntanzi?
correct, Minister.
I agree, man. Thank you.
And you, sir? Okay, fine. So that is how we're going to proceed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, so who's the next witness? Cross-examination, you said.
Yes, and further on, we left the date open as to when he'll be coming back.
Yeah.
He let us know as soon as he's ready,
Fine.
and he'll then be recalled.
Okay, fine. Yes, Mr. Sergeant Khan, sorry, you're still on that.
Sergeant Bukhane,
Yes, Mr. Umalo. I mean, Mr. Are you through with this? You never cross-examined him.
No, I haven't started.
the witness
I like that.
confirms.
You never did. You said you don't have questions, you remember? And then he was superseded by Dupree. Then you had cross-examining. I'm not saying you can't cross-examine him now. You can do so if you want to.
I was just about to begin, my lord, when the state requested him that just to lead the
Oh, I see. Okay,
Mr.
fine.
Dupree.
You're
Yes.
right, no problem.
My lord, but then there is subsequent to the discussion that we had with regard to what the status of that report should actually be. It had just come to my mind, my lord, that most probably, having had possession or seen the report of Mr. Dupree that is going to be presented, there is that likelihood that there would be issues that I would love to take up with this witness on the basis of that report that is going to be prepared.
Yeah, fair. I hear you.
So I'm not even so sure, my lord, whether it will be fair for this witness for me to start to cross-examine him without having had sight of that report and decide whether or not there are issues that I would love to take him up on the basis of that report.
But this is after Dupree has presented the report.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have that clear. Not that you see the report first.
I'm not changing what we agreed upon.
Quarrel, hey,
Yes, madam. So what I'm saying is,
no, fine, I take that point.
yes. So what I'm saying is I'm not even so sure whether it is in the interest of justice that I should start my cross-examination with this witness when there's a likelihood
Yeah.
that the content of that report would necessitate me cross-examining this
Yeah,
witness
fine, no.
on that report.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not so sure where does that then leave us, my lord. If the
Now we
state
can
is,
adjourn the evidence of this witness.
yes, my lord.
Because it makes sense. He was the person who activated the AVLL system by driving the vehicle. Fine. Ms. Mshololo?
As it is a court, my lord. Thank you.
My lord, it is the same position with myself, my lord, that
Okay.
I would like to do the cross-examination after
Okay.
Mr. Dupree.
Okay. Mr. Ngamalo?
That I submit that it is more convenient that we read the evidence of Mr. Dupree, and then from there we see the way forward.
Okay. Mr.
Same sentiment, my lord.
Right, the state?
Well, that's in order with us.
All right. You understand English, Sergeant? Even when it's time to speak, Pedi with Smith and Gomezulu.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with the sentiments that it is proper for Mr. Dupree to present the report. You have already testified about the exigency of driving the vehicle, its stopping where, the idling, etc., etc., etc. There could possibly be questions arising from the report which are not irreconcilable with your evidence. And the defense has got the right to clear that up with you, okay? So we need to adjourn your evidence. I don't know until when.
Le sa go bolang ke re gore maobane ba ile ba emisha ka pele ga gore ba le botse dipotšišo wa bitswa setsibi se leng gore se tlile sa tlhatlholla raporoti e jwatše setsibi sengwe ga se tšwe se fetše go na le dilo tše mmalwa tše e leng gore ba santše ba nyaka gore setsibi seuwe se tle se ba tlhalošetše ka sona ka moraga mouwe ba re ke gona motlhomo ba ka tlang ba tswela pele ba tlo ba le botše dipotšišo ka lebaka la gore go na le dilo tše dingwe tše e leng gore setsibi sela se ka tla sa di tlhatlholla se e leng gore dilo tša gona di be di le mo go yona report ya AVL tše e leng gore di nyaka gore motlhomo ba tle ba botšiše ka tsona ba tle ba fumane ba tle ba kgone gore lena ba kgonthišiše dilo tše dingwe tše di rileng ka yona report ye e leng gore e tla be setsibi sela e se hlakišitše gabotse le ya kwešiša ya le botlhatsi ba lena go ra gore bo sa tlo emišwa kgoro e re ga e tsebe gore go fitlhelela neng. I will be waiting, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Sabakelana ukuthi Mr. Mnyisibeke uyena bekufanele ukuthi aqaleke abuze uSergeant Mukhane imibuzo kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi ke kunalokho kwenzekileke izolo nkathi Mr. Dupree ekhona ke elayinikeza ubufakazi base beyahlanganyela ke umshushisi kanye nabameli ukuthi ke cha bayaqela ukuthi lo mbiko Mr. Dupree awenze kabusha manje ukuthi Mr. Mnyisike akaboni ukuthi ke noba kuzoba kwenziwa ke ubulungiswa uma engaqhubeka ke ngalofakazi kungekafiki ke lo yambiko lo yana ke ka Dupree ngoba ke yena ke uSergeant Mukhane naye ke uyena umuntu owayeshayela le moto uDupree azokwenza ngayo umbiko omusha kunalo obewulethe enkantolo ngaleso sizathu ke bayacela bayavumelana bonke ke abameli kanye nomshushisi kanye nomehlulo kuyavuma ke naye ukuthi ke ufakazi lona ke akamiswe asazi ukuthi uzolinda kuze kube ninike.
Okay, so what do we do?
As a court, please, my lord, we did intimate at the previous occasion that the next witness that the state will be calling is Sergeant Mokhola.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she's writing an exam, my lord. My learned friends have got no objection if we stand the matter down until Monday to continue to commence with her evidence.
Okay. CLS, we have been amongst the persons who assaulted accused number 2.
No.
Or present.
No. She in fact, she wasn't.
She came with Ginanda.
Yeah. Well,
when Ginanda was sitting on the.
There's the name that was mentioned, but obviously.
Yeah, fine.
Her evidence will be different.
Yeah. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, so we postpone until Monday.
Yes.
Sorry to the reporters, you have an early day, please.
Jwale ka ga re tlhalositse le na botlhatsi ba lena botla ema sepedi se re molletang wedi ke molleta le swisu ga re tsebe gore ba tlo le bijaneng re a leboga outi ya letla kwa go yena ramolao palo.
Yeah, because of those unforeseen circumstances, then we adjourn until Monday morning. Okay, thank you.
Hi guys, good morning. Hey, early Friday, my goodness. Oh my God. We are just coming in now and then jiggy, pew. The case is adjourned until Monday. Hi, gonna man. Access. Yo, whoa. Hey. Baloyi knew that this lady will be writing an exam today. Why didn't he call another witness? Ay, Baloyi. If this other one was not available, why didn't he call the other one to come in? Guys, we've got almost 90-something witnesses that needs to be checked. Guys, I know, man. Hey. Yo. Hey. No, man. They are now delaying. That was quick. Seriously, that was very quick, and they are actually delaying us. But guys, let's just see how it's going to be. Who got paid? And if you are here, just inbox me because it's Friday. It's Friday. Hey. Pearl, you're saying every Friday agenda. Useless Baloyi. Yeah, every Friday they do that. Hey guys, hey, hi. I'm looking for my chomi who got paid because hey, it's Friday. Hey, it's Friday. Guys, what do you think? We will actually connect back on Monday. Then Monday we will connect back on Monday. I know that it's short and high, and the courts are closing early December. Baloyi, Bongi, I didn't know that they are closing. They are closing day. Jesus Christ. Jennifer, you're saying it's Black Friday, my friend. Hey, Black Friday. Hey, Black Friday. Aponaki. Ay. Black Friday. It's Black Friday. It's Black Friday. I didn't know that they are closing early December. The courts are closing early December. So guys, I don't know. Let's see how it's going to what is going to take place. So we will see each other on Monday. Please stay safe and be protected, and go to church on Sunday, so that we can actually see. Non-translation, before you go viral news, please play the voice recording I just sent you. Oh, did you send me some voice notes? Let me just play them for you quickly. I didn't see. Oh my goodness. My WhatsApp went offline. This thing. No, man. Jesus. Non-translation. It went offline. Let me see. Let me make a plan quickly. No, I have to connect it again on my. on my computer again. Excuse it, because I have to connect it here so that it can be audible, very much audible. That's why you see maybe it's only one tick, because I don't know if it's double tick. I'm not sure. I have to connect it back on my system. I have to connect the WhatsApp on my system. It's down. I don't know why it's down. All right, guys. Let's not waste much of our time. We'll actually meet again on. On Monday. Stay safe and be fine. We'll see you then. Yeah. I know non-translate. Let me see if I can make a plan. Let me see if I can make a plan quickly. Let me see. Yeah, no, I can't. All right, let me do that. Let me just see now. Let me just play this. Let me just see now. I will actually play them now. Let me get them on the other phone so that I can actually play them quickly. I'll do that now.
Ngiyakumemeza nguma wakho namhlanje ngithi awukhulume mntanami uyamazi umuntu okudubula yalazi igama lakhe baba kaSenzo hlangana noSenzo mnteni wakaMeyiwa kaNomdaya kasingile hlanganani namhlanje amaqiniso ahlala oba lesikhathele sidiniwe odbedlala ngathi ngoba singenamali beneyimali ezinkulu imali ibhadile lapha ingane kaSenzo bayezi nokuthi ifunda ngani esikoleni bazozenza lezimali bazoyenza le mali abayazi nokuyazi sikhathele vuka Senzo vuka mntana methuneni baba kaSenzo vuka vukani nilwe ilwani manje sikhathe ukuthi nilwe mndeni okaMeyiwa basingile baphikhoze vukani mathuneni vukana abantu badlala ngathi sekwanele badlala ngathi ngoba singena abantu banayimali hayi kwanele manje lezinyemba sesikhalayo zincane nenjabulo sisazojabula mndenini okaMeyiwa kwanele
uNkulunkulu nama-plans i-life ingenye indlela.
South Africa woke this Monday to devastating news. Soccer star Senzo Meyiwa murdered.
This is a national tragedy.
Why Senzo?
There was a cover up. There were so many different stories.
Help us. We want to know who killed Senzo.
For that independent, whatever paper they are, how dare you? When you go out like that and write something so false and untruth and misleading the nation.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, I promise you this, you will have an egg on your face. I've spoken about the Senzo Meyiwa issue so many times, but people have decided that they want me guilty.
I see.
You know?
The courts of public
yes,
opinion.
they have decided. So why defend myself? They must believe what they want to believe. Me and God know the truth. One thing I will never do is to protect someone who killed the father of my daughter's father. At what expense, really? So they can believe whatever they want to believe. At the end of the day, God still wins.
uNkulunkulu nama-plans i-life ingenye indlela.
South Africa woke this Monday to devastating news. Soccer star Senzo Meyiwa murdered.
This is a national tragedy.
Why Senzo?
There was a cover up. There were so many different stories.
Help us. We want to know who killed Senzo.
For that independent, whatever paper they are, how dare you? When you go out like that and write something so false.
I wanna show you something. That area before, if you go into that area, it's if you are facing Albertine and Bospec is behind you, on your left, it's factories. During the day, you will find trucks there that the people are resting and then maybe they are coming to collect things. It's an open area there in that area. Okay. Then on your left, you will see there is a dumping area and then there is an old BP garage. Then when you go down towards that engine garage, it's an open area again there. And on your left, it's where they are doing this thing of driving. In that area, in the olden days, they used to find bodies there in that area. Because people that were walking from the factories going to the, after the bridge, there is a location there. So they usually not, they used to not pay taxes. So they usually go from factories going to that location because some they were renting. So most of the time they usually get bodies in that area, So people late, they don't walk in that area. Once it's 6 o'clock in that area, you will never find somebody who's walking. That's why those guys, they chose that area. So it shows with those people, they know very well about that area. They know it, or like, it's rare with somebody is going to see them doing their dirty job there. So these people, they think these criminals. So these people, they think we are kids and we don't know Joburg. We know Joburg. So if it suit them, they know the place. But if it doesn't suit them, they doesn't know the place. There is no way where you will forget the entrance of Foslora. So there is a taxi rank, then there is a robot, there is a KFC, there is an old sport ground. There is no way. There is no way. A policeman, you forget an entrance of Fosloras. It's impossible. A policeman.
You know, I'm sorry, I don't know whether you will be able to hear me properly because I'm on the road and I couldn't even listen to you guys.
Yes.
Because the network was not so great on my side because I'm driving from one country to another. As I spoke to you earlier, if you still remember me.
Yes.
Well, I've been struggling to send you what we spoke about, but I will make sure that you do. But I'm thinking tomorrow morning, everyone will be like knowing that. You know, tomorrow, because I heard like a lot of people, it's like now trying to contact me, others who knows me, trying to contact me. But anyway, it's the news now.
It's in I saw.
Yeah, it's already news that those coordinates, the ones in the more especially the ones on the Chris Hani Paragarat, they put Mohane and the crew inside the hospital. They put them inside where the helicopter stopped, actually. I can confirm that. I've seen that. And then the other one that I was struggling to get, but now we finally got it. It was the one where the ATMs were not working. I'm not too familiar with Soweto, but it seems like it's not too close to Orlando. But those coordinates, they put us where the ATMs were not working. When you reverse 3 years back, the coordinates, then it tells you that those ATMs were not working, but now are working. If you check now, are working. And then that one is not disputable. Those coordinates for the garage yesterday, the one that's from Albertine, that one is not disputable. They are there. They put everything as it is. Everything as it is. So it's just a matter of time. That guy comes back, everything will be like shown. It's a pity I couldn't listen to you today and to follow all the processes and the procedure, but then I just saw when I got the network, I saw that you're still online, you're still live.
Yeah, no, guys. Kunento engayiboni kahle la kulento. Why abameli, why ama-advocate kade engazi ngokufika kwalo muntu ba expect ukuthi bona bazoqhubeka ne-cross examination nabo bathukile ukuthi le aspect lana seyiqhamukaphi manje ivelaphi le aspect. At the same time lo muntu unosuku olulodwa une one day nje yokuthi afike lapho. Why lo muntu angabi nesikhathi? Why lo muntu it means ikhampani yakhe ayimvumelanga yini, akasukini, ayimnikezanga ni-permit yokuthi akwazi ukuba secourt, because umuntu uma ephume nge-permit yokuthi akwazi ukuba secourt akakwazi ukuthi engavele bempintshe nje yaqalela ukuthi hayi namhlanje uyafika for these hours ngoba lo muntu phela ufike like around 12:12 uyafika uyahamba ene angeke asasithole esinye isikhathi. Fika namhlanje uyahamba uthole only this day, only these hours. So I don't understand ukuthi yenzeka kanjani. At the same time lento ye-GPS nginokuyisebenzisa i-GPS ngingazi ke noma awafani nama-GPS, like inesikhathi hours or some minutes mawuyisebenzisa ayisho ukuthi sewufikile lapho i-GPS, even if maybe 5 minutes before ufike kuleyo ndawo leyo angeke ithi usufikile maybe maybe 10 meters, even 5 meters ngeke isho ukuthi sewufikile lapho. Izokutshela 5 minutes before ufike lapho or 5 meters usuyafika 5 meters. Angeke angicabanga ukuthi ingathi ise garage if ungakafika egarage. That is why ithi near, maybe yayise sidini ayisakwazi ukuthi i-allocate i-road noma i-garage, exactly garage, if ingekho khona egarage exactly. It means yayiseduze ne-garage. it means yayiseduze nalomgwaqo walapha egarage. That is exactly kungaba yileyo dumping site. So siyashaywa la, siyashawa naye lo muntu lo fike ngendlela yakhe naye as bem-organize ngendlela yakho. So hayi kunento engahambi kahle la.
Guys, how are you guys? Like before I close now, listen, this guy is going to read what was already there. He's not going to come with new evidence. That's the thing. It's like I take someone's x-ray and I say I've got broken bones, and the person's x-ray is showing broken bones. What the doctor will read is what is on that x-ray. They will just say, no, this person's x-ray is showing, but it's not mine, or it's not. So he can actually even read what is there, which is not a problem. But our problem is their company is not the one that put that AVL, and he's coming in. He wants to play around with the coordinates. All right, fine, let's leave that one. If you park the car at the garage, or behind the garage, or it's at the garage, even if it's behind the garage, next to the garage, in front of the garage, it's there, it's at the garage. So it actually, they can walk to the dump site and do whatever they are doing, come back to the car. The torturing might not have been done in the car, it might have been done outside. So that's what we are talking about, because when we look at it, yes, if it's in that area, finish. That's what we want. Even if it's like 2 meters away from the car, we want that. As long as the car is at the garage, as long as the dump site is close to the garage, finish. That's what we want. That's what we want. I don't know what you think, guys, but remember what the judge said. He said, not the judge, the defense team, Mushololo was asking these guys to say, why didn't you protect also or safeguard the park? So the park was now included as the crime scene, because the crime scene was not only Kelly's house, but also where they ran to and where they were suspected to be in. So it was supposed to be protected. So what am I saying? I'm just saying that it actually combines the two. Not like saying, like you said, like you have said, AVL is not on people, it is in the cars. Exactly. So it is not actually, it is not going to show them that they moved from walking. They walked from the car, they started walking, they went there. No. If they moved out of the car and did something there, or they did whatever they were doing, that's what we those are the stories that we want to hear. And I don't know what you think, guys. I don't know what you think, but for me, this expert is just wasting our time. It's just a pure waste of time. This expert is just a pure waste of time, because if he's reading something that is manipulated with coordinates which are manipulated, now they've got a lot of time to go and manipulate everything they want to manipulate to suit their story. Because honestly speaking, his report, remember, is not coming out from the original AVL. It's his report according to his findings. So according to his findings, he can actually fabricate everything. That's my problem now. That's my problem. The findings that he's going to make, the findings that this man is going to make, is based on him and Gininda and Paloi and whoever it can be who is behind the scenes, so that the state will not be embarrassed. So they have to make sure that it matches what they want, the state, not the defense. That's the problem. That's where my problem is. Not as I saying Ninja is on top of it as we speak. Exactly, guys. So I don't know what we are going to expect when this guy comes back, but I don't see it proper. That's why these people are saying until we see his report, that's where we can argue or say anything. The judge wanted them to already say what they want. You see, that's the problem with the judge. The judge is actually fighting them already before anything else. The judge is already dismissing some of the things they want to talk about already. So those are the problems that we are actually encountering now, because we don't know exactly if they come in. The judge wants this report to come in. When it comes in, they must keep quiet. They must just accept what is there. We can't just accept what is there. Nonhlanhla, you're saying, remember, you can't buy the hand that feeds you. This Kobo is banner tender with police service. Oh, that's why White is doing like that. Oh, hi, Mahoa. Hi. Yes. Temba, you're saying, I really like the consistency in Ntanzi's recollection. Yeah. Ntanzi, I'm telling you, Temba, for you to, this guy actually recalled many things. You see, he is very sure of what happened and he knows exactly what happened. He recalls every detail because it was so painful. He can't forget something like that. Guys, it was so painful for him. And yeah. And you can see that he's been consistent with his story, and he has never moved from his story. He knows his story, and the truth is definitely coming out, and that is going to be happening very soon. So guys, this is what we were having for today. Definitely we are going to be back again on Monday. But you heard the voice note. Somebody was saying that road they used to kill people. They know, everyone knows that place, everyone knows that side, everyone knows it. I think you heard it from the other two voice notes that it's not like something that is not known by people. It's not like something that everyone can say we don't know the place or what. No. So it's a well-known place. It's a well-known place, and Mohani, I don't know. Mohani is something else. So all these things from the voice notes and what we are seeing now is collaborating. It's adding up. Accused number 1, even what the father said to him, it's actually adding up. So guys, let's see how it's going to go down. To those who are coming in now, we are closing. We are coming back on Monday. Nyoni, God, enjoy your weekend, Siyabonga. We are saying good morning. We are going to meet again on what do you call it? We are going to meet again on Monday. Safe weekend, guys. Ciao.
Ngiyamemeza muma wakho namhlanje ngithi akukhuluma mntanamu umuntu okudubula yalazi igama lakhe baba kaSenzo hlangana noSenzo mnteni wakaMeyiwa kaNomdaka kasingile hlanganani namhlanje amaqiniso ahlala oba nesikhathele sidiniwe othi bedlala ngathi ngoba singenamali beneyimali ezinkulu imali ibhadile lapha ingane kaSenzo bayazi nokuthi ifunda ngani esikoleni bazozenza lezimali bazoyenza nemali bayazi nokuyazi sikhathele vuka Senzo vuka mntana ethuneni baba kaSenzo vuka vukani nilwe ilwani manje sethe ukuthi nilwe mnteni wakaMeyiwa basingile baphikhosi vukani emathuneni vuka namba abantu badlala ngathi sekwanele badlala ngathi ngoba singenamali beneyimali hayi kwanele manje lezinyembe sizikhalayo zincane nenjobolo sisazojobula mnteni wakaMeyiwa kwanele ngiyamemeza nguma wakho namhlanje ngithi awukhulume mntanamu uyamazi umuntu okudubula yalazi igama lakhe baba kaSenzo hlangana noSenzo.